Hi everyone, Joe here from Lawn Solutions Australia. Buffalo lawns, like Sir Walter DNA certified, are the top choice for Aussie backyards. They're loved for being low maintenance, shade tolerant and kid and pet friendly. In this video, we'll share our expert advice so you can get the most out of your buffalo lawn. Buffalo grass is best mown between 20 and 60 millimetres. Over winter, it's best to leave it a little bit longer and then gradually bring your height down over the warmer months. The best type of mower for buffalo grass is your standard rotary mower, but it can also look great under the cut of a cylinder mower. It's really important to ensure your blades are razor sharp. As buffalo's got quite a broad leaf, it can tear instead of cutting. Buffalo grasses can be renovated, but there are a few precautions that you will need to take to ensure that you don't cause more damage than good. As buffalo grass grows by its above ground runners, it doesn't have an underground rhizome like couch and kikuyu grasses to repair from. This means that when scarifying and dethatching, you need to ensure that you don't go too low with it and be sure to keep these runners healthy and intact. When it comes to choosing a fertiliser for buffalo lawns, we recommend Lawn Solutions Premium Fertiliser as it's tailor-made for buffalo grass and has the perfect ratio of NPK and a great balance of nutrients. It also has a mixture of fast and slow release granules. The fast release granules give you that instant green up front, whilst the slow release granules give you balanced nutrient release for up to 12 weeks. When using a weed killer on a softleaf buffalo lawn, it's always best to read the herbicide label first to ensure compatibility. On some herbicides, the label may say that it's not safe for ST varieties of buffalo, but not to worry, this is referring to the older style scratchy buffaloes, not the new softleaf buffaloes like Sir Walter DNA certified that most of you will have in your yards today. The main herbicides that are not safe for use on any buffalo lawns will usually contain the active ingredients dicamba or DSMA, which are normally found in standard weed and feed products and also products used to control summer grass. If you want to remove broadleaf weeds like clover or bindi from your buffalo lawn, we recommend using a broadleaf herbicide like our all-purpose weed control and estate herbicide. Buffalo grasses generally have good shade tolerance when compared to most other turf types, surviving in as little as 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight per day. The only thing that will hamper that is if the area has poor drainage. Poor drainage combined with shade can limit your grass's chance to survive, but if you get the drainage right, buffalo grass can survive in areas of very low light levels. These are some of the most important things we recommend considering when maintaining or installing a softleaf buffalo lawn. In our next video, we'll look at couch grasses, also known as Bermuda grasses like Tiff Tuff. Thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we hope to catch you next time.